minus $115.57. I've so far deposited $291.62. I've so far withdrawn $176.01. So yeah guys, this is my trading journal. As you can see, this is my trading journal. This is the book I use to record all my trades. And if I open it up right now, you can see these are the lot sizes I use according to the capital. From $10 to $100, I use 0.01 to 0.08 lot size. From $101 to $500, I use 0.1 to 0.3 lot size. From 501 to 1000, I use 0.25 to 0.5 lot size. From 1000 to 10,000, I use 0.4 to 2.5 lot size. From 10,000 to 50,000, I use 2 to 7.50 lot size. From 50,000 to 100,000, I use 5 to 15 lot size. From 100,000 to 500,000, I use 10 to 50 lot size. And then from 500,000 to $1 million, I use 50 to 100 lot size. So that's basically the lot size I use when trading. And then you can see the starting date right here is Monday 7th April 2025. That's when I officially started trading. And by the recording of this video, 7th September 2025, I've so far spent 5 months in this trading game. Alright, so yeah, you can see basically I record the date, then the profit made for that day, for all the days I've traded that week. Then at the end of the week, I record my total weekly profit. Okay, I record my total weekly profit. Then I repeat the same thing for the next week. So I've been doing this, for 5 months now, recording every single trade I take, so that I can know where I'm losing money. Yeah, so this is basically the P&L. This is my 2025 trading P&L monthly. For the month of April, I ended up making a loss of $13.89. For the month of May, I ended up making $11.95. For the month of June, I ended up losing $56.31. For the month of July, I ended up losing $14.97. For the month of August, I ended up making $4.90. September is still ongoing, I've not yet recorded. So that is the monthly P&L for the whole year. Then this is a quarterly P&L, whereby I divide the year into quarters. Quarter 1, January, February, March, I ended up making $0. I wasn't trading by that time. Then I started trading in April. This is quarter 2, April, May, June. The total P&L was negative $58.25. Quarter 3, which is July, August, September, is still ongoing. I've not yet recorded. Then by the end of the year, I'll be recording the yearly P&L for 2025. So yeah, basically that's what I do in my trading journal. That's what I basically do. But then I had a very nice week here trading euros. What I've realized in my trading space right now is that whenever I trade euros, I make profits. I have good weeks. But whenever I trade currencies that contain the USD, I end up making substantial losses. Like for example, last week I lost over $47.25 trading USD related pairs. So yeah guys, this is basically my trading journal. You see, this is the lot size table. It's what I was showing you earlier. So I ended up breaking it, as you're seeing here. I ended up breaking it. Yeah, so I actually made my trading rules, and I said These are my trading rules. The maximum leverage I use is 1 to 500. This is to allow me to give me room to open up more trades and also not to risk too much on any given position. Then I should have a maximum of 3 open positions at a time. Okay. Then I should have minimum risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 per trade. Then never leave trades overnight. All trades should be closed by 12 a.m. midnight. Since I'm a day trader, I don't hold trades overnight. I've tried that, but I've never been successful in holding trades overnight. Then when in a losing trade, close out the positions with bigger lot size fast, to reduce on the risk. Then when in a winning trade, close out the positions with smaller lot size fast, so that you can secure partial profits and let the bigger position sizes continue running. Then I should withdraw every week on Saturday when the markets are closed and reset account to previous risk capital, so that I can secure those profits. Okay. No competition. You are in competition with nobody. That's true. It's only you against the markets. Then humility. No bragging about profits. All right. Zero emotions. No fear. No greed. No FOMO. Then when a winning trade turns to a losing trade, don't regret. Close at break even and move on. The market can always give you opportunities. Then my minimum capital should be 1000 USD. Actually, this goal I've not yet reached it. I've tried growing a $10 account to $1000 account, but to no avail. But yeah, I won't give up. I'll keep trying. Then I should take a maximum of 3 trades per day. This is to prevent over trading. Like for example, if I take 1 trade and it loses, I have 2 more chances to take a trade for that day. Then I should never take a trade without analysis, no signals. This is so that I can build up my trading experience and to avoid taking signals from the so-called gurus. There you won't grow as a trader. So guys, today is September 7th and I'm already 5 months into trading because I started trading April 7th of this year. So I'm already 5 months into trading, but still very unprofitable. I remember when I started trading, I had given myself a gap of 2 months to become profitable and whatever by June, but it's proving to be hard. Actually, if I show you my MT5, I'm still very unprofitable, losing money, but I really want to make this trading thing to work out. So if you look at since I started trading, I've so far lost minus $115.57. I've so far deposited $291.62. I've so far withdrawn $176.01. Very unprofitable for now. I don't know whether you can see that on screen. Is it clear? Yeah, still very unprofitable, still in the red. But I really want to make this trading thing work out because I really love trading. Actually, I've reached a lot of moments where I feel like giving up, feel like throwing in the towel because this is getting so hard, especially when you're losing money, by the way, but I really want to make this trading thing work out. So I'll keep on pushing. Tomorrow is Monday, market open. I'll deposit, but I'm learning. I'm not going at this blindly but who knows? Maybe next year or 2 years from now, who knows? So let me keep trading. Peace out.